Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Cut the U design team layout using the cut file of the month. It is called, hold please, Daisy Floral Background. It is on my sheet down there. So I'm just separating all of these out. More little stickers and stuff. So I added in some of another cut file, or another kit. Let's just stick these in here. I'm putting a little bit of touchers on this little bitty sheet here, huh? Okay. And then we have this piece left. We've got those. Literally like 4 stickers on this. I've got photos from China Light, so it's some fish, and then Jamie and CJ kissing the puffer fish, so we get that going for us today. We have all of these smaller papers. And then we have all of these. So that looks nice. That will probably be saved. We'll see about those later, but here is the cut file. So this is probably going to take me a hot minute to go in and make sure that we get, but it's going to be at the background. So I'm going to have to pop all those pieces out because my Cricut was not set for cardstock. That's always great. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all these pieces off. And as you see, what I was going to do is mat it on that with that. Maybe we'll go this way and use that as the background. Anyway, I'll figure that out. Excuse me. So give me just a minute and I shall return. Alright, so that's what we've got so far. That one's not gonna work. No. Potential. No. I can change that, not the yellow. That might work. That might work. We know all of those will work. These will probably work. So let's see what we've got going on. Like that idea. I really like that idea. Alright, so we need to go ahead and attach this. Very simplistic way here of doing the background, but it really is just going to be the star of the show. I'm going to put this one here. And let's pop this one up. On some foam. So how is everybody today? I do hope you're having a wonderful... Is this Sunday? I don't know. Was this post on a Sunday? Put that like that. We'll come in with that little guy. No, we don't want to do yellow. I totally just thought about it as I did it. Let's see. Let's put that there. Do another little one right here. Kind of stick that there so it's bloomin' beautiful friend. So let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and pop this up to be super thick. Do that like that. So we cover up the flower's arm. We're just going to go with my happy place. Excuse me. Stick our little birdhouse there. So this is kind of fun, you guys, just getting to use some of these things that I don't actually ever really use. Let's cut that up. Get it stuck right under there. And we'll take this little guy. Just kind of jazz that up. I'm going to put that little I love you right here because, you know, they're kissing the fish. And put that guy there to bring in some of the copper tone. Okay. Trim that one down. I'm going to pop this up as well. Just trying to get things going. So are you guys a member of Cut to You Cut of the Month? Like, it is super affordable. For a couple dollars a month you get fabulous cut files. And it's all digital. Head to the shop, check it out, read all the verbiage. But I totally think you should go for it. That's stuck there. I've got to get something for there. So you know what? That's I think we're gonna go with that. A little bins of goodness, right? I'm gonna use the little shell. Then let's just put this cute little fishy down here. Little Nemo. And then got this little guy. Let's put him over here. I thought I had more sea creatures. Do I have little sea turtles? Oh. Guess it really doesn't matter. We're just gonna have to stick some glue and just pop them down, right? I think that's cute. And we'll just stick this guy here. And I actually think that's gonna do it for our layout today. Let's see what's left on the sticker sheet. Actually think we're good. And we got a bloomin' beautiful friend. So that's gonna be our title, or I'm the luckiest, kindness grows here, falling leaves, whatever. Choose one, that's what I say. So don't forget to check out the Cut to You store. Everything will be linked down below, and I will see you next month with another video. Bye for now.